thinking, can't slow down. Feet are moving on the ground. Heartbeat sings with every beat. Dancing shoes fall at my feet.
Sunrise till the night is through, spinning under skies of blue. Time won't wait for anyone. Dance like morning's just begun.
Dancing through time, we let it go. Feel the rhythm start to flow. In the moment we're so free, dancing through eternity.
Moonlight shines upon our face, in this wild and endless space. Twirl around the stars so bright,
Lost in music and the night. Hands up high, we touch the sky, never asking reasons why. Every beat takes us higher, fuel the fire with desire. Dancing through time, we let it go. Feel the rhythm start to flow. In the moment we're so free, dancing through eternity.
moonlight shines upon our face, in this wild and endless space.
In the moment we're so free, dancing through eternity.
Moonlight shines upon our face.
Free. We board the plane and soar, hearts beating fast on core. Bag in hand we explore, Paris night we'll adore. Oh la la, city of love, stars above we're dreaming of. In the streets hand in glove, oh la la, feel the love. Eiffel Tower stands tall, lights twinkling we recall. Lovers' whispers they call, through each Parisian hall. Oh la la, city of love, stars above we're dreaming of. In the streets hand in glove, oh la la, feel the love. Baguettes and coffee sweet, cobblestone paths our feet. Artists in every street, Paris rhythm heartbeat. From the Louvre to cafes, endless rows fill bouquets. Memories in a haze, Paris charm never fades. Oh la la, city of love, stars above we're dreaming of. In the streets hand in glove, oh la la, feel the love. Eiffel Tower stands tall, lights twinkling we recall. Eiffel Tower stands tall, lights twinkling we recall. Lovers' whispers they call, through each Parisian hall. Oh la la, city of love, stars above we're dreaming of. In the streets hand in glove, oh la la, feel the love. Oh la la, city of love, stars above we're dreaming of. In the streets hand in glove, oh la la, feel the love.
baguettes and coffee sweet. Cobblestone paths our feet. Artists in every street. Paris rhythm, heartbeat, heartbeat. In every moment, my love will be attentive. We'll still be forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your road. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show. In every moment, my love, I'll be attentive. We're sealing forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your abode. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show. In every moment, my love, I'll be attentive. We're sealing forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of the greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your abode. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show.
Pack your dreams in a suitcase, leave the worries by the door. There's a world beyond our window, let's find out what it's for. Maps and coffee on the dashboard, laughter dancing in the air. Every mile we go together, new ventures everywhere. Let's hit the road together, just you and me forever. No need to know where we're going, hearts are open, winds are blowing, side by side through any weather. Let's hit the road together. Chasing sunsets on the highway, sing songs beneath the stars. Every town becomes a memory, no matter where we are. Writing stories as we wander, turning moments into gold. Hand in hand we'll keep discovering new chapters to unfold. Let's hit the road together, just you and me forever. No need to know where we're going, hearts are open, winds are blowing, side by side through any weather. Let's hit the road together. Maybe we'll get lost lost sometimes, but with you, that's just fine. Every wrong turn is a part of this journey we call life. Let's hit the road together.